Now if you have quadratic equation, in this model the calculator not only gives you the answer of the roots, means the x values using the quadratic formula, but it also gives you the vertex, means turning points, the coordinates of turning points. So let's do it by using the equation menu again. Press menu and then the same option, equation function, and now I have to go to polynomial. Polynomial is 2, so I will press 2. Degree, we know that the equation, the degree of quadratic equation is 2, so I will press 2. You can solve cubic equation, power 4 equation also in this calculator. So the coefficients means a value. A value is the coefficient of x square, which is 3. If the question is not arranged, so you must arrange the question in such a way that you can identify a, b and c, means coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and constant term. Now the coefficient of x means b value is -4, so I will press -4. You can press either this minus or this minus, but it is recommended to use this minus because that minus is the sign and that is the operation. But in this model it doesn't make any difference if you press this and this. And now the constant term is -5, so -5 equal and then equal. So the first value of x is 2 plus square root of 19 over 3. If you want the answer in decimal, because as the question says give your answer in decimals, so you will press this button. So first value of x is 2.1196, and if you press again equal, you will get x2, which is -0.786, and again if you press equal, you will get minimum value of y equals ax square plus bx, means this is giving the coordinate of vertex, that is turning point, or we can say this is also the equation of line of symmetry. So this is the additional option which has been added in Casio 991EX. This option is not present in the old models.